Hi guys, good day, and in this video we're going to unbox this Black Decker coffee maker. Actually guys, I just came home from work and what surprised me is this box from the outer space. Actually, I consider this as a early Christmas gift, though it's not yet Christmas. It's just September guys, but the blessing is so early. And come on, let's unbox this one. This is a 8 to 10 cup coffee maker and it 100 watts. The brand is Black & Decker. Let us see where it is made from. There guys. Made in China. Made in China. Actually, God made man and everything else is made in China. Let's use this, whatever you call this one, since we don't have a cutter. Let's unbox. By the way, thank you to the person who donated this one or gave to me. Thank you for this early Christmas gift. Let's see what's inside. Come close and see. Guys, come close and see guys. Oh, it's stuff to break the seal. This box just delivered earlier this day and I was surprised when I came home. Okay. As we open, there's a manual. You can see the manual, so I may have to study it first before using this one. The complete details is here and different languages in the manual, but of course we prefer to use the English one. There, we'll have just to study this. Okay, and it's supported by a styrofoam and a cartoon at the top. This is guys, this is really is it. Come on, take a closer look guys. Oh, this is what I told you. Actually, the handle is being supported by this cartoon so that it will not get broken when there's applied pressure in here. But as you can see, we need to use an adapter because their male plug is different in our country. I don't know what kind of plug is this, but it's different in our country. But anyway, to use this one, we have an adapter for this. Using this adapter, I don't know what's the term for this adapter. Maybe you can comment on the comment section. But it quite fits. I don't advertise the brand of this coffee maker, though the brand is Black Decker. I don't advertise, but it was given to me. It's the brand was given to me. And this adapter, I don't also advertise, but it is the one available in our place. It's an adapter, Omni adapter, made by Omni. Quite fits and it's good. Let's figure it out how to move this one. Hope I will not damage it. Okay, here you go. Nice. This is the, what you call this? I will look in the manual. What's the name of this one? But I know this is a scoop. a measuring scoop for the coffee. Right? This is the machine. Maybe we can take out this cellophane here. Right.
Alright. Alright.
Well, this is the power button, as you can see. It's very
Alright.
simple to operate, I think so. And
Oh, ba.
up in here, we open this one. There. And there you go. There's the slot where you put your coffee and a coffee filter. I guess I have to buy a coffee filter for this. And let's break the seal. It's being sealed. Sealed right.
My God.
Yeah, it's nice. There you can pour water. There's the place where you pour water. Right in there. Maybe about 8 to 10 cups as described in the box. Where's that? Yeah, it's here. 8 to 10 cups. So this is the Black & Decker coffee maker, guys, which is given to me. Just arrived earlier this day from a package. I was thankful to the sponsor. Oh, it's glass. Yeah. I was thankful to the sponsor for this early Christmas gift, and on my next video, we will give this coffee maker a twist. We will not use the Arabica or other common bean for this coffee maker, but instead we will use the roasted corn wheat or the corn coffee, which is more healthier to your body. We'll use corn coffee in this coffee maker, which you will be viewing in my next video. Thanks.